Hey, what's up? In this video, I want to tell you about the new brand, Xsense. A company representative contacted us to test their new product. This is outdoor security camera. Actually, Xsense company has many products for home security, such as smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and even smart home security system with motion sensor, remote control, and base station. My camera has a model name of S21. Its main features are 4 megapixels sensor, 2K video resolution, dual-band Wi-Fi, color night vision, motion-activated lights, and many others. The price of Xsense S21 security camera is only $49. There is also $10 of coupon code on official website. I will leave the link in the description under the video. Okay, let's do unboxing and full review of the new security camera. We can see the main features of Xsense S21 security camera on the box. I have already told you about some of them, and we will talk about the other features later in this video. Inside the box we have a camera itself, power adapter, Ethernet cable and Ethernet port waterproof kit, screw kit, and user manual with a warning sticker. First of all, Xsense S21 is outdoor security camera, so it is waterproof by IP66 standard. The camera is not afraid of rain and high or low temperatures. However, if you will be using Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, then don't forget to use a special waterproof kit for Ethernet port. The size of Xsense S21 camera is 170 by 70 by 70 mm. The weight is 265 grams. On the front of the camera, we can see the lens, 2 spotlights, passive infrared motion sensor, light sensor, microphone, and LED indicator. This all reminds me of face, doesn't it? 2 eyes, a nose, and a smile. It is really funny. Then there is a rubber plug at the bottom. Here we have a reset button and microSD card slot. Xsense S21 security camera has two-way audio, so there is also a large speaker at the bottom. Next, the camera has a metal mount. As you can see, the mount is not fixed, so you have to use a special tool from the package to clamp it. The power cable is built in and it cannot be removed. There is also Ethernet cable next to the power cable. So the new security camera looks reliable as well as stylish. It reminds me Xiaomi devices because they also have a wide, minimalist design. Talking about installation of Xsense S21 security camera, I found very detailed instructions. You can read about how to reduce false alarms and safety tips. The camera should be installed at 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet above the ground with downward angle of 30 degrees. Okay, now we can install the application on smartphone and talk about all the functions of this camera. The app is called Xsmart View and it is available on Android and iOS devices. In the app we can see the live video from the camera. There are also icons to mute the sound. Change video resolution. Choose day, night or auto mode, as well as flip the screen from up to down and left-right. And then we can take a screenshot and record the video. The microphone button is used for two-way communication. You can also click on these 3 dots and see activity detection and sound detection. In the activity detection menu, we can choose alarm when movement is detected and alarm only when human is detected. And there are also settings to choose sensitivity, triggered interval, schedule, specific detection area, siren linkage, and spotlight linkage. In the sound detection menu, we can only choose sensitivity and set a schedule. There is also a settings menu in the app with camera info. Share camera, motion zone for lights, privacy mask, Wi-Fi settings and advanced settings. As I already said, Xsense S21 camera has 2 spotlights. The lights turn on when motion is detected. In this menu you can change the sensitivity and set a timer for lights from 30 seconds to 15 minutes. There are many other options in advanced settings, such as security, light, power frequency, smart control, etc. The camera also supports wide dynamic range, and you can activate this function in this menu. Okay, I guess now you can watch the videos I took day and night on Xsense S21 camera. As I expected, the daytime video is very good. The camera has 4 megapixels sensor and 2K resolution, so I didn't doubt the video quality in good light conditions. However, the video quality of many security cameras drops significantly in low light conditions, but not in case of Xsens S21. In the night mode, the camera records black and white video. It is clear, but more importantly, it is not overexposed. The main feature of Xsens S21 security camera is two spotlights. They are activated automatically when a motion or human is detected. So even in completely darkness, you get a high-quality full-color video as in daytime. By the way, the color temperature of spotlights is 2800 K. Also, the spotlights illuminate at a distance of 10 meters. You know, I am really impressed by Xsens S21 security camera. I like the way it looks, but also the features. The camera is equipped with two spotlights. They help to capture full-color video at night. By the way, you can also use the camera as motion detection light. So this is 2-in-1 device. The price of Xsens S21 camera is very affordable. It is only $45 with coupon code. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.